Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Hustle with Tony, and today I come in with sort of breaking news if you haven't seen the update yesterday from Instagram. And that is, Facebook has extended Facebook message rooms to Instagram. So what does that mean? That means that you can use the same capabilities as messenger rooms in Facebook, but on Instagram. So you can chat, create a room, and chat with up to 50 of your friends. Just make sure they're not sitting on the toilet, and pretty much find a new way to communicate with someone. So today's video, I actually want to do a run through on how to use the new Instagram messenger room, and it'll be a quick short run through, a quick short tutorial. Just make sure you give it a like so this video keeps on rolling on YouTube and more people get to see it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to view more tutorials on Facebook and Instagram, also as well as unboxing videos, videos on eBay, videos on Poshmark and Mercari, places where you can make money on the side. I would greatly appreciate it. So just not to waste any more time, let's get straight to that tutorial. Alright everyone, so to start it off, it's simple. You just go on your home page. In this case, I'm in my art page, to be able to access what would be messenger rooms through Instagram. So you simply just click the DM button to usually send out a message, and you'll be able to access messenger rooms. Now in my opinion, Facebook did the smart thing in unveiling messenger rooms, because they now have to compete with Zoom and various other video chat platforms. So let's indulge into what would be an example of using Instagram messenger rooms. Okay, so the first example consists of accessing it through DM. If you see the compose button, next to it is a camera button. So you simply just tap on the camera button and that'll take you to what would be Facebook messengers. I'm sorry, Instagram messenger rooms. I have to stop getting confused about that. And you can pretty much select and invite up to 50 people. Search and you can customize who you want to invite and just simply send them the invite. So in this case, I'm going to choose my own page, Hustle with Tony, and I'm going to send myself an invite, and you're going to see how it appears as a notification on my phone. So let's hit start, and there you go. Look at that handsome face. Okay, so I'm going to use a second example with my other page, and we're simply going to do the same process, which is access my DMs and accessing the camera next to the compose button. And here's a little bit different because now I can actually create a room, which is the same concept as Facebook messenger rooms, where I can share a link and pretty much share with somebody who does not have either Instagram or Facebook, either through email, WhatsApp, Twitter, Snapchat. Just send them the link and you can communicate with practically anybody around the world. And I think this is useful because Facebook, not so many young people, I believe, or not a lot of people use Facebook. A lot of people actually use Instagram. So for Facebook to further compete with Zoom, they would have to, I guess, unveil it in Instagram, so it'd be more competitive with other video chatting softwares. In my opinion, it's a great software. It's great to use. It's great for Instagram users, and you guys can have a lot of fun with it. Now, if you like this tutorial, just give me a like. If you like this review, give me a like. Also, subscribe to my channel. Share this video with everybody you can. Also, don't forget, don't use this while you're on the toilet, because you'll be in the end of an embarrassing video. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Again, subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Like, comment your opinions on Instagram messaging rooms. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hasta la vista.